Tonight, new numbers from the Oregon Health Authority show nearly 230 residents and staff in nursing homes and other care facilities across the state have now tested positive for the coronavirus. The state has turned one nursing home building into a COVID-only care facility, and they're looking for more. Jennifer Dowling live tonight with an update on these new numbers for us. Jennifer?
Good evening, Jeff. Yes, OHA and DHS report that 37 people have now died in long-term care facilities across the state due to COVID-19, and they're hoping that finding new buildings to help isolate those nursing home and foster care patients, all those long-term care facility patients, will help to stop the spread of this illness.
It is a 47-bed operation.
Laurelhurst Village is now the location of Portland's first COVID-only long-term care facility
to provide patients who have tested positive for COVID-19 and are discharged from the hospital a place to recover.
The latest numbers released by OHA show which care facilities are hardest hit with clusters of positive cases of the virus. 16 are reported at Marion Estates in Marion County, 34 at the Oregon Veterans Home in Lebanon, 38 positive cases at Laurelhurst Village, and the largest number at healthcare at Foster Creek, where 50 members of staff and residents tested positive.
We now are aware that over half of the fatalities are occurring in those facilities.
DHS reports that the most recent facility to see a severe spike in cases was healthcare at Foster Creek in southeast Portland. The state just announced it's now overseeing management of that facility because staff there didn't follow protocols, such as hand washing. DHS said they had to step in because the situation was putting residents at risk.
When a facility gets into a crisis mode, we step in.
Part of that response involves establishing that COVID-only building at Laurelhurst Village. Spokesperson Elisa Williams says it will be located in the rehab building on the village property. Since it stands alone from the other buildings, she says staff will not have to enter the other facilities in order to care for patients.
Additional contracts are underway for these alternative care facilities across the state. We hope in the next day or two to have at least another contract in place in the Portland metropolitan area, and then we'll continue building out from there.
And DHS says that currently 14 facilities have reported that they've had staff or patients test positive for COVID-19 in the state. Meantime, there's also a list of places that have tests pending. That means that nobody has tested positive yet, but somebody has displayed symptoms and they're waiting on test results. There are 20 of those facilities that DHS is waiting on those results and is monitoring. Back to you.
Certainly a story we'll continue to follow.